It's been tough for all of us to overcome the beginning of this decade with unique challenges brought by the global spread of COVID-19 pandemic. Needless to say, we continue in our efforts to pivot in remote learning. On behalf of the Scientific Committee, we cordially invite you all to the second Otorhinolaryngology Head and Neck Surgery Conference on 6 to 8 November 2021 through virtual platform. We believe that this digital platform will enhance our communication ability with all individuals and societies related to otorhinolaryngology, head and neck surgery. To get started, join us in making of this virtual event historical and with memorable experience through an easy sign-in process. Open the link provided on the registration email sent to you prior, and it will direct you to the virtual conference user login portal. Kindly enter your email address and password provided to you on your received registration email. In case you've forgotten your password, you may click on the Forgot Password button and you will receive an email to reset your password. In case you have not registered yet, once you've signed in, you'll be directed to the main lobby. This will be your ideal starting point. You may edit your profile by clicking on the profile icon on the upper right corner and the notification bell icon besides the profile icon, which serves as the notification for the latest announcement of the virtual conference. You can switch between halls with just one click on the lobby or by clicking the tabs located at the upper side of your dashboard without any hassle or long walks. Here in the auditorium, you'll attend live sessions in webinar format. Please take note of the following upon attending a session. Click this Maximize icon to view in full screen, and make sure you join audio by computer by clicking the headphones icon. You may click the Q&A type box by clicking the Q&A icon to ask questions related to the ongoing session, and the moderator will assist you. Click the Leave Webinar button to leave the session. You'll find the agenda according to the hall. When you click the Join Session button, it will automatically take you to the live session, and down here is a button where you may add to your Google Calendar to pin on your schedule and keep you notified. In this unique virtual exhibition hall, our industry partners will showcase the latest devices, innovations, and interventional therapies. Even the booth is designed to look realistic and includes documents, videos, individual branding, and contacts. When you click the booth, you may check their services provided in the description box. And you can add their documents or videos to your virtual bag and send it to your email. You'll also have the opportunity to interact with our industry partners by asking live questions by joining the Start Chat button. Here in the information desk, type your questions and get your answers in real time from our online representatives. This lounge is only dedicated for the speakers and moderators. Lastly, the networking lounge is dedicated for live chat through group and private chat rooms with other participants. We are looking forward to having a virtually successful historic second Otorhinolaryngology Head and Neck Surgery Conference.